Hey everybody. As you all know, I've posted that last night our family experienced a tremendous tragedy. My brother-in-law, Jonathan, and his wife, Monica, they have 6 babies, ages 23 to 11, and yesterday their 3 younger girls were involved in a really horrible car accident. A vehicle, someone in their truck on the other side of the street was having a domestic dispute, and the person in the passenger seat yanked on the steering wheel, and the truck jumped the curb and hit their car head on. And our 11-year-old niece, Arianna Gannon, she passed away. And so, honestly, right now we are just experiencing waves of grief and disbelief. So we do appreciate your prayers. The Lord gives us the strength to walk through it, and we trust in Him, and we know that He is faithful, and we know that Arianna is with the Lord. We know that, but our pain is profound. And so, obviously, I know that you understand that, like, these next couple days, today, tomorrow, there won't be a daily manna. And to be honest, I'm going to be honest with you, I don't know that I have right now the strength to preach a sermon on Sunday morning. I kind of need to be tucked into the Word. I need to just be wrapped in it. And so I hope that you can understand and forgive me for that. Where so this Saturday, maybe if you could just play a service from another time. It's just, there are a few occasions in which I would do that, but this is one of them. This is the worst possible thing, that the most unimaginable thing that we could go through. And pray for our kids, all the kids, for Arianna's brothers and sisters, and then for my babies. My Rafi is 11. This is his counterpart. This is his best friend. And how does an 11-year-old cope with that? So, anyway, I love you all. I know that I know you get me. I'm not worried about, I don't worry about criticism. I know I didn't actually need to ask for your forgiveness. I shouldn't, because I know you understand that this is a deep level of grief. So please pray for our family. I'm going to put it in this post down. I'm going to ask that you, we're trying to raise money to help Jonathan and Monica with the funeral expenses. Who saves money for a funeral for their baby, and to raise money for their medical expenses. So anything that you can do, I'm gonna put a GoFundMe link down here, and all of it matters. And I love you all, and I thank you for holding us up in prayers. I know that you grieve with us as we grieve, and I know that the Lord is our strength. My brother-in-law, Jonathan, last night the police were describing to him what happened, and he said, he looked at them and he's just spinning, but he goes, "I'm not angry. We're just broken right now. We're just broken." And the police officer just began to weep. This is hard. Anyway, I love you. Shalom, shalom. May the Lord bless you and keep you. May the Lord make His face to shine upon you and be gracious unto you. May the Lord lift up His countenance upon you and give you peace. I love you all.